Hello, in front of me I've got Silvermonkey K90. In this video I'll show you how to switch connection between three devices. Firstly, you can connect your keyboard to PC or console via this USB dongle. Also, you can connect it to two different Bluetooth devices such as iPads, tablets or smartphones. As you can see right now, my keyboard is connected to my PC via Bluetooth. Let's pair it with smartphone. So go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and now press and hold Bluetooth to button. Select K90, confirm, and we are connected. Now you can simply switch the connection type between 2.4G, Bluetooth 1 or Bluetooth 2 by simply pressing these buttons. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.